So, hello everyone. I am Sanjana, Onco nutritionist from ZenOnco.io. Today, we shall be discussing on the topic of immunonutrition and its important role in cancer patients. Let us first try and understand what is meant by immunonutrition. Immunonutrition is the use of specific nutrients which will have an impact on the immune response. A combination of immunonutrients such as arginine, omega 3 fatty acids, or L-glutamine are being studied to understand their beneficial role in cancer. Immunonutrition can be administered in the form of either an immunonutrient enriched formula or as a single immunonutrient or with a combination of immunonutrients. Immunonutrition has been found to be beneficial as it helps to reduce the treatment related toxicities such as oral mucositis, diarrhea, nausea, or even esophagitis as well. Now, head and neck cancers are refers to the neoplasms which occur in the head and neck region, such as pharynx or nasal or even the oral cavity as well. Malnutrition in the cancer patients, as we know, can have a negative impact on their overall health. So, malnutrition in cancer patients is mainly associated with weight loss, an increased risk of infections, and also reduced immunity as well. Malnutrition in cancer patients can either be attributed to an inadequate oral intake or because of secondary causes, which could be nausea, vomiting, or malabsorption as well. Now, a study was conducted to find the effects of the immunonutrition in patients who underwent a chemoradiation therapy, especially in the ones who had head and neck cancer. So, the study found out that they showed an improvement in their nutritional status as well. Another study was carried out to understand the effect of immunonutrition on the inflammatory response and the immune function in the patients who had gastric cancer and underwent a gastrectomy. Now, from this study, it was found out that early post-operative enteral immunonutrition surely help to improve the immune function and also helps in improving the inflammatory response in the gastric cancer patients who underwent a gastrectomy. So another research was conducted to understand the how the immunonutrition had an impact on the patients with pancreatic cancer and they underwent a surgical intervention. So, immunonutrients such as ribonucleic acid, omega 3, and even arginine was administered. So, from this study, it was found that immunonutrition helped to reduce the rate of the post-operative infections. It also helped in reducing the wound infections and it also helped in reducing the length of the overall hospital stays as well. Another research study was conducted to assess the impact of the pre-operative immunonutrition outcomes of the patients who had colon cancer. Now, the study observed that there was no infection complication which was seen amongst the cancer patients. Next, a study was conducted to understand the efficacy of perioperative immunonutrition amongst the esophageal cancer patients who had undergone an esophagectomy. It is very well understood that a poor nutritional intake is surely associated with an increased incidence of post-surgical complications. And when we say post-surgical complications, it means that there can be a delayed wound healing, or there can also be a risk of infections, and also there it can also cause the length of the hospital stay to be increased. Now, however, it was seen that when immunonutrition was given to the administered to the patient, it actually helped in improving the post-operative infectious complications in those patients who had esophageal cancer and they underwent the esophagectomy. So, immunonutrition really is known to be valuable in fight against cancer as it enhances the nutrition status. It also helps in reducing the risk of the complications, and it also helps in improving the overall outcomes as well. Thank you for watching this video, and we at ZenOnco are always by your side, offering support and the guidance as you navigate through your cancer journey. So, for help regarding cancer, you can surely connect with our cancer coaches on the below mentioned contact number. Thank you.